Welcome to Nebraska Quilt Company. I'm Susan with Susan's Snippets, and I'm here to talk about the basic tools you need to start quilting as a beginner. Of course, you need some fabric, you need an iron, a pressing mat, starch, 2 pairs of scissors, one that you use in your quilting room and only on fabric, and another one that your family can borrow and that you will use on paper in your sewing room. You need a cutting mat, rotary cutter, rotary blades, unfortunately, a seam ripper, needles. We'll talk about needles on another snippet. There's all kinds of needles out there. Some pins. I like the flathead pins the best. Some thread, sewing machine with lots of extra bobbins, and 6x24 or 6.5 by 24 ruler. And that's it for today's snippet. Happy quilting!